Terry, say a little bit about how you think about um, the implications for robots and drones.
Well, I think drone is a flying robot. I think what's fascinating is as you add um, artificial intelligence to them. People are using drones in fascinating ways. I mean, whether it's firefighting or fertilizer that we talked about. A friend of mine lives in Chevy Chase, Maryland, and he called up his grocery store during COVID and said, "Do you deliver?" And they said, "Yeah." Just look for the drone outside your door. And it was a drone that looked like a radio flyer wagon. And the guy bought 20 of them at the little store. They were illegal before COVID. And during COVID, he just did it. And the city said, yeah, okay, I guess it makes sense. So, sometimes crises bring things forward, but certainly you're seeing them in tremendous amounts of them in factories. I was at a cow barn in Iceland on a tour. And the guy said, "You want to see a cow barn?" I said, "No, I've seen lots of cow barns." And he said, "No, come in here. There are no people here." And the cows walked in and they were, greeted, milked by a robot, fed a snack, and went back out in the field. They're producing more milk, and they can't get people to milk cows in Iceland or most other places. Nobody wants that job anymore. So whether it's that or a first responder or a concierge in hotels during COVID have put these robots in for room service. They're not going away. We don't go backwards a lot once we put technology in. So, I was at Travelocity in 9/11 and testified on the creation of the TSA. Here we are 20 years later. Thank God we haven't had another incident, but we're not taking the TSA out, right? So some of these new technologies, particularly contactless robotics, they're not going away. And drone delivery, UPS is delivering goods into retirement homes using drones. Got approved during COVID because people don't want to go there and they don't want people there. So now they're getting approved. They're parachuting in blood, all kinds of things. So a crisis can help. And as you know, digital transformation did not slow during COVID. It actually accelerated.
Tremendous.
So people aren't doing it. They're just going to get left behind by these technologies.